Hello everyone, hello guys, molweni bethuna, sanibonani, dumelang batho, hello mense, apsheni, lochani, Welcome back to my channel, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Thandi, and please join my YouTube family and subscribe. Guys, imagine a future where HIV prevention is as simple as having only 2 injections a year. A future where more people can protect themselves from HIV infection easily and discreetly. A future where people will not be victims of being infected by unfaithful partners without them knowing. This is the future and the potential that lenacapavir offers. What is lenacapavir? It's an injectable PrEP, a pre-exposure prophylaxis for preventing HIV infection. You only need to take it twice a year in 6 monthly intervals. It is only taken by those who are HIV negative to protect themselves from HIV infection. Why is it special? It is highly effective in preventing HIV infection. In a clinical study called Purpose 1, which was conducted in South Africa and in Uganda on high-risk women aged between 16 to 25 years old, none, I mean 0, of those who received lenacapavir, about 2,134 women, contracted HIV. This means it is 100% effective in preventing HIV infection. Wow, this is great news. It offers 100% protection against HIV infection. Lenacapavir could be a game changer in HIV prevention. It's a breakthrough that could revolutionize HIV prevention in countries with high HIV prevalence. It could deal with some of the following challenges. Number 1, stigma. We know that many people are afraid to take their pills in front of other people as they are afraid of accidental disclosure. Number 2, lack of access to daily medication. It means people won't have to travel to clinics every month or 2 months to go and access their medication. It could deal with challenges of consistent use. We know that many people, especially the adolescents and the youth, they find it challenging to adhere to medication, sometimes due to their lifestyle. Sometimes they forget to take medication. Sometimes they need to go to parties. They have no time to take medication. Lenacapavir offers only 1 jab every 6 months, then you are protected. Effective use of oral PrEP remains a challenge, particularly amongst adolescents and young women, as they face difficulties with daily use. Young women are contracting HIV faster than anyone else, and it is estimated that about 122 young women get infected with HIV on a daily basis, and that 4 out of 10 infections in the country are in this age group. This injection brings hope that new HIV infections will reduce. It can slow down new HIV infections and get us closer to reaching the goal of ending AIDS by 2030 as a public health threat. Lenacapavir has the potential of lowering new HIV infections and boosting the number of those who are taking PrEP. How does lenacapavir work? It blocks HIV from entering the cells, and it stops HIV from making more copies of itself to infect the immune cells. It is safe to use and is 100% effective compared to the daily oral PrEP. It is manufactured by Gilead Sciences, however, it is not yet available to the public. Gilead still has a monopoly on its sale. If it is so effective, why is it not available to the public? Gilead will first wait for the results of the second lenacapavir study, which is being conducted on gays bisexual men, and the transgender population, which will be released by the end of the year or early next year. Gilead will wait for these results before they file for registration for approval for the broader population. Remember, Purpose 1 study was conducted only on young women, so they need to conduct the study on the rest of the population so they can be conclusive that it's effective for everyone. Once they receive the results, then it will need to be approved by FDA, SAPRA, and other regulating health authorities. How long will it take to get approval in South Africa? According to SAPRA, it can take up to 210 days, that is 7 months, for a product to be approved, and another 90 days for the country to finalize the process on a local level. It is estimated that lenacapavir will cost about $740 for one jab, which means it will cost $1,500 per person per year. Note that lenacapavir is used in the United States, in Canada, in UK, and in other rich European countries only as a treatment for drug-resistant HIV infection. It cost about 40,000 US dollars, that is about 740,000 for a year's supply. But because it's a niche treatment, that is, it's used to treat fewer people in these countries, it is made in small amounts and is extremely expensive. If it's this expensive, how are the people going to access it, especially in third world countries? Guys, we need 4 things to make sure that it is accessible to everyone. Number 1, it's speed. Gilead should speed up the process of availing and registering the drug to health authorities. Number 2, scale up. Gilead should offer licenses to other companies to produce generic drugs. They should not monopolize the sale of the drug. The more the competition, the cheaper the drug will be. Number 3 is the price. Our government and the health authorities need to negotiate the reduction of price so that it is accessible to everyone, especially those who need it the most. Number 4, we need to create demand. People are not going to magically wake up one day and say that they want lenacapavir. We need to create demand for prevention. We need to inform people and make them aware about what is available out there. For HIV infections to fall, South Africa would need tens of millions of doses of lenacapavir. This means we need to make people aware about this drug. I have a question for you guys. Please leave your comment in the comment box. What do you think about lenacapavir? Do you think it can change the fight against HIV? I believe that the future is looking brighter and very soon we will get the cure for HIV. Remember, whilst we are waiting for this groundbreaking treatment, we cannot let our guards down. We need to continue to use the prevention methods that are available out there. We need to continue to use the ABCs of HIV prevention. Please keep safe and stay safe, and please subscribe. I hope you found this video informative. Goodbye. Nisale kakuhle, lisale hantle, .sins, lisale kabuhle.